me think about that. Okay, here you go. I don't know what you mean by where that. How about a web search for it?